Hey guys, what's up? Demon Hog here today with another track review, and we got another one from ENSIFERUM. Fucking awesome, fucking love ENSIFERUM, man, and I love that everything they're releasing lately doesn't disappoint. So yeah, I mean, if you like serious music, then ENSIFERUM for you will be meh. If you don't like folk metal, then don't even bother to listen to ENSIFERUM. If you don't like melodic death metal, then don't listen to ENSIFERUM either. But yeah, I mean, fucking love everything about ENSIFERUM. They're funny songs, they're serious songs, and yeah, combination with folk and mellow death. So yeah, this one's from their upcoming album, Two Paths. It's the follow-up from their previous single, For Those About to Fight for Metal. So yeah, when I first heard this song, I was like, yeah, it's probably gonna be influenced on another artist, because you know the previous song had a little bit of an AC/DC influence. But yeah, this one, it does sound like ENSIFERUM, just that, I think they're, sort of putting in the old school sound in there. Just a little bit, because when I heard this song, I was like, yeah, this kind of sounds familiar. It sounds a little bit like Twilight Tavern or One More Magic Potion, which, by the way, it's two of their famous songs. So yeah, anyway, I loved it. I love the vocals. I love the intro. Yes, the intro. I love how they don't waste time with any intro that it has a little slow sound and stuff. And you're there waiting. So yeah, it automatically starts with a riff. And I also like that what they do with in the bridge of the song. In the middle, close to the ending of the song and all that stuff. Marcus Toivonen, I think it is, singing some lines in Finnish. Now, I don't understand, but it sounds fun. It makes the song sound fun, more folkish. Sorry, that was, of a game. Simpsons tapped out. Probably gonna get bored with it anyway. So, yeah, back to ENSIFERUM. Yeah, this song sounds folk. The chorus, Marcus or Sammy Hinka, I don't know which one it is. But yeah, one of them is singing in Finnish. So yeah, I don't understand what it says, but I like how folkish it makes it sound. I don't know if those are words, but whatever. Yeah, and also there's one thing that kind of puzzles me about ENSIFERUM. Like the last two girls they had, Manju and Emmy, they both played keyboards. Those keyboards brought in the folk sound in ENSIFERUM. But who they have lately is Nataskog from Teresa's, formerly from Teresa's. She she plays accordion. She's an accordion player, and I think she even got an award in Finland, best accordion player in Finland. So I was like, okay, so I guess ENSIFERUM will have some accordion in their songs. But no, the song, it sounds like they still have their keyboardist. I think that accordion she plays, like, she just, plays the keys, and yeah, just makes the folk sounds. Doesn't sound like accordion, which is, for example, what Corbett Clanny does. They have an accordion player, and in their songs you hear the accordion. So yeah, I mean, like, when this album comes out, I definitely would love to hear some accordion sounds in ENSIFERUM songs. And I do hope that they also have serious songs. Because I, for one, I love their serious songs, like, for example, One Man Army or Wanderer. You know, I love those. Also, the video. There's one thing I don't understand. Come on, Netta Skog. Okay, I guess I can understand that she didn't want to get in the sauna naked with guys. And trust me, the guys didn't have undergarments on. And they didn't have any underwears or anything. You could see a little bit of the lines of the pubic hair. But I mean, they can show a scene with Netta separate, bathing there in the sauna. Like, with, I don't know, having something cover her. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, Netta, she's better than all those pop stars, so she doesn't need to do this. So anyway, I'll see you guys later, and as always, keep it metal.